Hello, I'm Jacqueline, Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, and in this brief video tutorial, we'll learn how to create a group within the admin dashboard of your LMS so that you can segment users according to their roles, divisions, or departments. Currently, I'm on the admin side of Knowledge Anywhere's LMS, and on this left-hand menu right here, you're going to go to Learners. From here, at the top, you can see Groups, and just go down to Add a Group. Now that we've started to add a group, let's name our group. For example, Accounting Department. From here, you'll be able to add group administrators if you have any, or any new attributes, including registration codes, site names, departments, or countries. Because this example is department-based, I'm going to select Department. From here, you can add any value or specific values, such as the accounting department. I'm going to go ahead and save. And you can see this group has been successfully added because of that green bar up top. Once you've added your group, you can see your group in the group name here. So for example, we're going to go to the accounting department, and this basic configuration is exactly what we set up in the first part. So I'm going to go over to learning paths to see something new. And I'm going to assign a learning path to this group. So for example, I would like getting started training for accountants. Make sure to save. After adding something to the assigned learning path, you can decide if it's required or elective. You can also check out the Learner tab to see which learners are included within this group. Thank you so much for watching this short video, and if you need any more support, please email us at support@knowledgeanywhere.com or check out our help desk online. Thank you so much for listening.